All right, so what do you do to make sushi?
Anyways, so you have your bamboo roller that you roll on, and then you put a Ziploc bag, freezer bag to protect it, and then you take this.
What is that?
Seaweed paper, seaweed rolling sushi paper.
And you can get the seaweed paper at like Asian stores?
Asian markets. Asian market on Market Street, thank you. Oh, that's funny.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out.
Shout out.
They were nice. They asked if we needed help because we did in fact look lost. Okay.
You looked lost?
We
Is that what you
She
said?
said, you guys need any help?
We're overwhelmed.
Do you need any help finding anything? And we said, no, we're good. So you just want to spread it, but you want to leave. Oh!
Mm.
And you use sushi grade rice.
You have to use sticky sushi rice because if you put normal rice, it's not going to stick. And then you're just going to have flat rice.
Oh, where'd you put the bags? I thought you had it on
Hmm?
the bag of rice. I was just gonna.
Oh, it's in the cabinet. Because I like to clean it. Right, right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lordy.
This is the one with the part. So I almost forgot. To seal the ends, I need a bowl of water to dip my fingers in.
Now what are you gonna
What are you putting in yours?
I'm using imitation crab. See, just like that.
That fits so nicely.
It's so
That's so nice.
I love it. And then I take me some of this cucumber. Delicious.
What's that?
And this is cream cheese, fresh out of Philadelphia. And then I'm gonna take some of this avocado. I'm actually gonna break that so it's nice.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be thick.
Move this so you can.
I'm gonna put it closer to them. I probably actually don't need that much rice because this is gonna be huge.
Yeah.
That's okay, unless you gotta make. That's a hair. Anyways.
Wow, that's definitely a big roll.
Yeah, but that's the fun, and you don't gotta make so many more. Give her a nice little. Oh, where you going?
You missed. There you go.
Girl, get back in there. You ain't gonna run away. And then, okay, this is very sticky rice. Cheers. You didn't see that. See, this is the fun part. Getting it all together.
So how come on sushi restaurants the rice is on the outside? So do they put the rice directly on something?
They flip it.
Yeah.
So they'll put it on like I did, and then they'll just turn it over because it's sticky, so it's on the.
Yeah. Okay.
So you just wet that, and then.
Mm.
Look at that big juicy roll.
Nice.
But I need to make sure that stays like that. That's huge.
Mhm.
Anyways, right. Hold on. Bear with me. Are you still with me?
Oh, look at how smooth that went through it.
Oh, you can't see the, but, you can't see the crab, the cream cheese.
You got a lot of rice in there.
No, the
Looks like a burrito.
oh,
Oh, cut more of your pieces.
oh,
There you go.
look at her.
Yum.
She's yummy. She's gonna be good.
Yum.
Look at your roll pieces. Nice.
At home sushi.